Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Raw and Wild Hearts. I'm Lori, and this is VanDetta, my 2019 ProMaster van conversion. I'm just starting my van build and van life series, and I thought I'd give you a quick overview of her from start to finish in 47 seconds, and absolute injustice to the amount of blood, sweat, tears, and joy that went into her 3.5-month build, but I thought it was a good intro. So thank you for being here. Please come back. I'm going to be uploading very specific van build videos as well as van life videos. We've been out here for a month now and it has been wild. Please hit the subscribe, like, comment, and share button. It's a pretty fun channel, so I hope you do some exploring. And as for right now, check her out.